Have you ever wondered what holds your body upright, allowing you to move, run, and even dance? It's your skeleton system, an essential yet often overlooked aspect of our existence. This isn't just a simple scaffolding, it's a complex system integral to our daily lives, performing a multitude of functions that go beyond providing structure. From protecting vital organs to producing blood cells and storing minerals, the skeleton system is a marvel of biological engineering. Today, we will delve into the world of the human skeleton system, uncovering its parts and understanding its functions. At the core of our bodies lies the axial skeleton, the central structure that supports and protects our organs. This fundamental structure is composed of three main parts: the skull, the vertebral column, and the thoracic cage, each serving a unique and essential function. Let's start with the skull, a robust enclosure of 22 bones intricately joined together. Its primary role is to safeguard our brain, the control center of our body, from physical harm. Like an armored helmet, the skull provides the first line of defense against any external trauma. Next, we have the vertebral column, a strong yet flexible structure consisting of 26 vertebrae. This column serves as a protective casing for the spinal cord, our body's information highway, and it also provides critical support for our posture and movement. Just as a sturdy pillar holds up a building, our vertebral column upholds our body. Finally, we move on to the thoracic cage, a protective shell made up of the sternum, ribs, and thoracic vertebrae. This cage is designed to shield our heart and lungs, the primary organs for circulation and respiration, from damage. Much like a sturdy chest, the thoracic cage ensures these vital organs are kept safe and sound. In essence, the axial skeleton is more than just a framework. It's a protective fortress, an architectural marvel safeguarding our most vital organs. The axial skeleton, hence, forms the primary framework of our bodies, safeguarding the most vital organs. While the axial skeleton forms our central structure, the appendicular skeleton is what gives us mobility. A neat way to remember this is to think about the word appendicular itself. It's derived from the word appendage, which refers to something attached to a larger or more important body or part. In our case, these appendages are our arms and legs. The appendicular skeleton is composed of two major components: the limbs and the girdles. The limbs, our arms and legs, are the primary means through which we interact with our environment. They allow us to reach out and touch, grasp, walk, run, and perform a myriad of other activities. Each of us has 4 limbs, 2 arms and 2 legs, and each limb is further divided into segments connected by joints, giving us flexibility and range of motion. Then we have the girdles. These aren't the kind you wear, but they are just as important. The girdles are the shoulder and pelvic girdles. They serve as the connection points between our arms and legs and the axial skeleton. The shoulder girdle connects the arms to the body, while the pelvic girdle connects the legs. These girdles provide stability and support, ensuring our limbs are firmly attached and able to move effectively. So, the appendicular skeleton, while often overlooked, is crucial to our physical interaction with the world. It's not just about structure, but movement, action, and interaction. It's the framework that allows us to dance, embrace, play sports, and simply move through our daily lives. Beyond the axial and appendicular, there exists a lesser-known part of our skeleton system, the visceral skeleton. It's a fascinating entity comprising bones that develop in soft tissues rather than being linked to the rest of the skeletal system. These unique bones are not found everywhere in the body, but they do have some specific locations. For instance, some bones in our neck and face are part of this visceral skeleton. The hyoid bone, situated in our neck, is a classic example of a visceral bone. It doesn't connect directly to any other bone, but serves as an anchor point for muscles associated with swallowing and speech. Similarly, certain tiny bones in our face, like the intricate bones of the inner ear, also belong to this category. They play a crucial role in hearing and balance. Though small and often overlooked, the visceral skeleton plays its part in the complex symphony of our body's structure. So, the skeleton system isn't just a rigid structure. It's a complex, intricate system that supports, protects, and enables movement. We've journeyed through the axial skeleton, the central core of our body, and the appendicular skeleton, our limbs and girdles. We've also shed some light on the lesser-known visceral skeleton, the bones embedded within soft tissues. All these parts work together to form the remarkable skeleton system, a marvel of biological engineering. While we don't often think about it, every move we make is a testament to the marvel that is our skeleton system.